Every wind blade failure is a technical glitch leading to a costly disaster. Each damaged blade means downtime, rework, and millions lost in repairs, logistics, and lost energy output. And it's happening everywhere, from US to Asia. When you dig deeper, one root cause keeps surfacing: manufacturing defects, tiny inconsistencies that grow into massive failures once these blades take flight. Introducing Orbit. Optimize real-time blade inspection and tracking. A digital guardian designed to bring accuracy, traceability, and control to every stage of blade manufacturing. With Orbit, you gain digital visibility from ply layup to final inspection. Intelligent workflow tracking ensures every process stays on point. Real-time alerts and safety insights keep your operations consistent and risk-free, and its traceability engine logs every detail: when, where, and how each blade was built. Reduce failures, enhance quality, empower your factory with Orbit, where every blade tells a perfect story,